I'm a tax credit champion.
I'm a tax credit champion.
Hey, I'm a tax credit champion. Be a tax credit champion.
We are tax credit champions, and we're in the midst of a big challenge to raise awareness about Arizona state tax credits that can personally benefit you. This awareness campaign costs you nothing and comes to you through support of Catholic Charities.
It's all to raise awareness about a terrific part of Arizona's tax law that allows you the right to redirect your taxes to qualified charitable organizations through a tax credit. Yes, a dollar-for-dollar tax credit. So you can help a charity that you care about. It's like a free donation in your name. And it's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. So a tax credit is different than a tax deduction. A tax deduction lowers your taxable income, which then lowers your tax liability. A tax credit is a credit that covers dollar for dollar the taxes you owe to the state of Arizona. Now, I want you to picture your hard-earned money that you'll be paying in state taxes this year. Can you see it? It could be hundreds or thousands of your hard-earned dollars. Okay, hold that thought. Now, how much of that tax money that you pay do you get to decide on how it's used? If you're like most of us, that answer is, we have no say at all. That's right, we pay, but we can't say, so to speak. We can't tell the state where we want our taxes to be spent. But wait, you do have a say about some tax dollars and how they're spent, how your state tax dollars are put to work. It's the government's way of letting you direct your tax dollars to causes that you believe in. And that's why I'm here today. You can decide right now, today, to redirect up to $800 of your state taxes by making a tax credit qualified donation to an approved charity, and to receive a dollar-for-dollar credit that you can apply to your Arizona taxes to reduce what you owe or increase your refund. Would you like to help the struggling returning Iraqi war veteran? They've experienced the horror of war. They really need help to restart. Or do you want to help a foster kid not be in the 60% who end up in prison that we pay for, sadly? Do you want to make sure the children of the working poor have a shirt, underwear, or a healthy hot meal for a change? How can they learn if they're hungry? Will these children have a blanket for their cold feet? Because there isn't enough when you're working poor being paid at poverty level. All three of these heartfelt causes are carried out by a qualifying charitable organization. Here's how easy it is to make a tax credit contribution. As I said before, it's like 1, 2, 3. First, choose a qualified charity. It could be Catholic Charities, who's sponsoring this Tax Credit Champions Awareness campaign. They help all people without regard to faith or ethnicity, or a Boys and Girls Club, or Jewish Family and Children's Services, or Hacienda Health. There are literally hundreds of organizations you can choose from. Step 2, decide what amount you want to give. You can contribute any amount up to the maximum amount and use that as your tax credit. Step 3, for most tax credits, you need to make your donation to your favorite Arizona tax credit qualified charity before December 31st. Donate to that charity of your choice by the deadline, or complete the form we have provided today. And then smile when you see the state gives you a tax credit for helping someone, for helping a charity. It's just like a miracle. If you decide to get your tax credit going today with Catholic Charities to help foster children, veterans, vulnerable families, or victims of abuse or sex trafficking, we can help you complete the form and accept your payment. and you'll receive a Tax Credit Champion button that signifies you're a champion for charity, your community, and yourself. Please, please, choose a qualified charity to help those in need find their way to self-sufficiency and get your tax credit. And please tell everyone you know to join us as a tax credit champion. You can visit taxcreditchamps.org for more information.
Join us and become tax credit champions today.